And you wrote, anyway, speaking of cryptocurrency, do you have any tips on where to store them safely? Yeah. It's so funny you mentioned that because I've actually just bought these. This here is called the Traceor. Okay. And you can go to traceor.com to learn more about them. This thing is, I don't get compensated, as you know. Okay. This is called the Traceor 1. And it stores over 1,000 cryptocurrencies. So this is probably my favorite one. I like this one. There's also and by the way, if you go to a cryptocurrency wallet website and you have to look really hard to see which cryptocurrencies are supported, just assume they only accept Bitcoin and a couple others. Here's another one I'm going to unbox and show you guys how to use. It's the Ledger Nano S. And this is great. This is great. It looks like a USB token. This guy here is a cheap one. It's called Digital Bitbox. And then here you've got Keypad. So if I were to rank these in order, I would start with this guy here, the Traceor one. Okay. Then I would go to this guy, then this guy, then this guy. And you'll find that if you try to buy these things on Amazon, they're cheaper on Amazon, much cheaper than on the websites of these companies. And one of the reasons is not just because Amazon's, basically negative profit margin company sometimes. It's because a lot of people think that if you buy stuff on Amazon, it might be fake when it comes to this sort of thing. So people don't mind paying a premium and going to the source. I'll let you decide on what to do. So you could do that. You could also create what's called, what's my water? It's okay. The cap's still on. So internet-based wallets like Coinbase, those are called hot wallets because they're always powered by computers. They're always on, they're hot. And I showed you a bunch of cold wallets. I don't like, if you use Coinbase, like internet-based wallets, I want you to think of that as being your checking account. And then these things as being your savings account. Yeah. And don't ever lose your private key, because if you lose your public key, obviously you're fine and you can get it back. I can show you how if you care. But this thing, your private key, if you lose this, it's a code for these wallets. If you lose this, you'll never get access to those cryptos again, ever, ever, ever. Yeah.